Okay. Sorry. Hey guys, I just bought hamster food. Wanna see? And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Okay, let's start with this when I'm feeding my hamster right now. Got it. Sort of like a it's like a I don't know, like flavored sticks, maybe. But my hamster seems to like it. It said it was normal hamster food, but of course I don't believe him. Now this is what I just got. It's new, I haven't tried it yet. A mixture, sort of. Oh, I pressed something. Oops. Okay. Strawberries, but that is diet food, and he'll be getting the 4 scoops. I'll be right back. Get another. Yeah, that food bowl was my last hamster's food bowl, but this is my new one. Hopefully it'll be able to hold 4 scoops of that diet. I'm just gonna feed it handfuls of this. Okay, I don't want to feed it too much because I don't know what it is. Okay, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you my food. I don't know. Well, I might as well make this a long one. So, how many games did you go? I can go another. Okay, I'm just gonna put that. It's not gonna be very long because I gotta do something after this. It's gonna be 15 minutes longer. Again, I clean this out every day. I replace this when it's almost empty and when he doesn't need it. And this is no longer. I have to get rid of the it's doing too much space, so I'm gonna Gotta take a shower, so I can't do this right now. See you later.